Would you believe me if I told you that I did not work out and I drank this juice 2 to 3 times a day to lose my 50 pounds in 2 months? Yes, it is definitely true and it does work. This juice has amazing benefits, and one of the great things about this juice is that you can actually mix it with 1 gallon of water and drink it throughout the day, or you can just literally just make 2 to 3 cups a day and drink this juice daily, and you will start seeing results. Here is what we have. So we have our cantaloupe, pineapple, grapefruit, lime, and then ginger. Please be sure to buy organic products if you can. If not, it's completely fine. So starting off, I'm just going to load the ingredients into my hopper and then let the festivities begin. It's that season to start dropping those pounds. Now let's get into the benefits. Grapefruit contains few calories but lots of water, which is another factor to aid with your weight loss journey. It helps to reduce your waist size, plus it's high in vitamin A, C, calcium, and iron. Next, we have our cantaloupe. This is high in fiber, which means it will keep you fuller a lot longer, and it helps with memory loss. It's lower in calories, promotes digestion, and it's going to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. I think that's my favorite part. We have limes, which help to burn more calories, store less fat, and it lowers your blood sugar. Sounds like a win to me. Then we have our pineapples, which contain bromelain enzymes, which basically helps to burn your body fat, and it reduces inflammation, boosts your immunity. It's high in fiber, plus it has vitamin C, B6, and potassium. Lastly, we have our ginger, which reduces the amount of the fat absorbed near your gut, and it decreases inflammation in the gut. Okay, so this is going to be a taste test for this juice, which was the cantaloupe, pineapple, ginger, lime, and grapefruit. So let's do the taste test and see how it tastes. This is really good. This is like really good. Like this, oh my gosh. I feel like I'm on like an island having a nice drink. Like this is good. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please do not forget to subscribe, and please comment below and let me know, what are your thoughts? And after you try this juice, are you seeing the results? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you're going to see them super fast. Just because when all these ingredients are mixed together, it's going to aid to a more quick and successful weight loss. Have a great day. This is it for me.